Hi, today's class is about proc print options and proc sort. Okay, so yesterday we have seen global options, right? Do you have any questions in there? I
No question.
okay. Can I continue with today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yesterday's class I have a simple doubt in the OBS.
Sorry.
In the OBS means if we in the OBS like no OBS
Yeah.
like if we don't want any observation then we have to write no OBS in the proc print or directly in the options.
You can do it either way. I will explain that today. Okay. 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 So the first we discuss about what is proc print. Proc print is the very simplest reporting tool. By default, the destination is the output window. If we give anything in the proc print where it will print directly in the output window, right? By default. So that is print procedure means that is what it is a simplest reporting tool. Default destination is output window. So okay, these proc print options are got divided into two types. One is proc print statements and proc print options. Okay, these are divided based on where we assign these options. So these proc print options will be assigned directly on the proc print statement itself. When it comes to proc print statement, these will be assigned on the next statement in the proc print procedure. Okay, so let's go and see some examples, then it will be easier to understand. Yeah, actually I was writing some program when you in that meanwhile I was waiting for you. Okay, first let's see proc print options. Okay, I'm giving some patient insurance information. I have taken patient ID, insurance, year, age, country, and I'm taking some insurance names and year. Okay, I have given some insurance values and I'm going to print this proc print data equal to let's go insurance. I'm just writing the normal program first. Okay, what happened to country? I forgot to assign dollar sign here. So assign a dollar symbol. Now run the program. Okay, now I got it right. Here what happened? Something went wrong. Okay, here I forgot to give the year. Now run the program. Okay, now I got this data set right. This is normal program how we do. Now we apply options in the proc. So the first option is, let's see about, you are asking about observation, right? So I will give OBS equal to mm, maybe I will give 2. Okay, now run the program. What I got here, have you noticed it? Have you noticed it? On the place of
No,
OBS,
no,
I got 2. Have you seen that?
no. Yes, ma'am.
See, you can assign observation number here. OBS equal to, let me change it to, see, if I didn't give anything, what happens? Usually in general, if I run the program, what I will get? I have it as OBS,
OBS.
right?
OBS.
But I can change the OBS name. OBS equal to observation number. I can change it to like this. Okay, now run the program. See, now I have got it as observation number, right? Okay, now I will remove this and I will give it as no OBS. Now run the program. So now I have removed observations.
No observation.
Yeah, is this what you are asking is earlier?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so the another option that we can use here is width. We can increase the width. Width equal to, maybe I will give full. Okay, see, our normal program looks like this, right? Let's see what happens if I give width. Okay, see, the length between these two variables and variables got increased, right? Have you noticed it, length between the variables?
Yes, ma'am.
If you give the width statement, you will be able to increase the length between variables. Okay, width can be given as full or there is one more thing. Forgot. There is one more option for the width. I forgot that. 1 second. Okay, uniform. Okay, you can give it as uniform. Now you will get the um, uniform length between the variables. Have you noticed it? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Yes, ma'am.
clear or you have any questions?
No question.
Okay, so width is nothing but it determines the column's width for each variable. See, for each variable it determines the column's width. Okay, so you can change it by using width equal to
Full or uniform.
full or
Full or
uniform,
uniform.
or you can also give it like minimum, like that. Okay, next thing I will remove this width also. I will remove width and OBS. You can keep it, but I'm just removing it because I want to make it clear instead of confusions. Okay, you can assign a heading. See here, by default we have headings like horizontal, right? PID is in horizontal manner, everything is in horizontal, right? Now I want that to be in vertical. Okay, now run the program. See, now I got headings in the vertical manner. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what I will do is, I don't want this vertical headings. I will take this off, and now I will give double. What happens if I give double? Let's see. The length between observations columns has been increased. Rows to rows, the length is increased. Have you noticed it? Is it clear, Soham?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. To increase the length between the rows, you have to assign double. And to increase the length between columns to variables, what we have used? We have used width. Okay. And we have given headings with vertical statement. Okay, and we have used double. Okay, and these are the some of the options in the proc print. See, okay, we have seen OBS, no OBS, width. Okay, let's see the others. Okay, for example, here by default I have given PID as the ID, right? Like the first statement, first variable that I want, right? Here PID is coming the first, right? If I want country, what I have to do? You have any idea how to assign that? Okay, but earlier we have discussed in another format, but here now we can do in the proc print. I will assign here ID id means the first one, the first variable is called as the id. Okay, anything you, if it's not about pid, if you give ins means that is insurance, insurance or year age, if it is coming in the first variable then it is called as id. Okay, now I want country as the id, the first variable country. Now run the program. See, now you got the country, right? And if you want after country, if you want maybe age, you can give that. Now you will get country, age, and then as follows. Okay, you can assign order also, in which order you want. Okay, your variables. This is another option. And if you, okay, now the next one is, I will give where PID bank area. Now see what happens. I'm giving variable, something went wrong. Variable bank not found. What did I do? Okay, now it's working. I don't know why it's not working earlier. Okay, I have given the some wrong thing. Okay, see, if I want only PID insurance, now what I will do, I have given the variables, the only variables that I wanted. See, I have given PID, and if you want to print only age and PID, now you can give that with where option. See, did you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, next thing is, next option is sum. For example, if I want to calculate, if I want to do sum for all the age variables, I will assign the sum option here and I will run the program. See, now you got sum for the age. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
This is another option. Let's see what happens if I give just sum and if I didn't mention any variable. It didn't take it. Okay, so you have to give something for, like,
Age or
it
PID.
is just for, it works only for the numerics only can be calculated, right? So
Yes.
I have given age, or also if you want you can give year also, because year also a numeric value. Okay, and you can also give PID also. Now run the program. See, now I got sum for PID, year and age. Okay, is it clear?
Ma'am.
Next, look for the another option. Okay, see, now this PID is there, right? I want to change it to person identity or something. Okay, and I want to change this year to mm, something else. Okay, let me try that. How can I do that? I will use the label option. If you are assigning label option, you have to give here label, and you have to give it here label PID equal to, I will change it to person identity. Okay, now run the program. See, now I got it as person identity, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It is changed. And the another option we have is split option. Split, okay? Yeah, for split option, see, for example, this person identity is there, right? I want to split it into different, like I want person on the top, and on the down I want on the different lines. I want this person on the top and identity on the down. What I have to do for that, I will separate it by maybe anything. You can assign any symbol, but in the split option you have to assign split equal to, in the quotations give which is the special character that is separating this variable name. Okay, so now run the program. See, now I got person on first line and identity on the second line. Is it clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what if I have three? Okay, I have three person identity, something like trim. Okay, now also this can be applied. See, I got it on the three lines. Okay, if you want to apply it for different one, see, for year equal to, I want to change it to enrolled, comma year, enrolled year. Okay, this will be applied now for both. See, for both the variables it is applied now. Okay, enrolled year. Okay, why we use label? We will use label to assign a variable name, and we use split option to get it in the separate lines. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is all about proc print options and statements. Now let's look into the sorting. Okay, we just finished proc print options. We still have some by and page by and sum by. I will explain these three after finishing the sorting option. Okay, proc sort. Okay, sorting is either done by ascending or descending order. It is, but by default the sorting will be done in ascending order. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so sorting. Okay, so I will take the same example for sorting also. In the sorting we will give, instead of print we will give sort, proc sort data. Okay, I will remove all this, I don't want them now. So whenever we are sorting something, we have to assign by statement also with what we are sorting the data. For example, let's see. I will assign out equal to maybe patient data. Okay, and I will give the by statement by. I want to sort it by um, insurance and year. Okay, so we use this by statement to define by which variables the sorting should be done. Okay, I want this to be sort by which variables, insurance and by year. Okay, and I have given this out option to create a new data set using out option. Okay, in procedural block, and the sorted data is stored in the new data set. For example, i'm getting I'm asking to print a new data. Okay, I want that to be sorted by insurance and year, but I want that to be in a separate data set, not into the patient insurance. Patient insurance original data is this. This is the patient insurance original data, right? But I want this, after sorting, I want that to be stored in a different patient data. See, in work library, we have patient insurance, right? If we give out, after sorting, the new data will be stored in the patient data. Okay, let's run this program, then you will be able to understand it. See, now patient data got created. Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's go into patient data and see what is there. We got UHG first, and we got Aethna, KP, Medicare, UHG. But what we have in the normal one, we have the first statement is Aethna. See what I got here. I got 102 first, 101 second, 106. Why it is not in order? Why it is not in order? I told you, right? By default,
Yes,
sorting
ma'am.
will be done in ascending order. Okay,
Ascending order.
so this is ascending order. See, first A, K, Medicare, UHG. But why this UHG on the top? Because it's a capital letter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
this sorting will be done in the ASCII format. So first, if there is any missing values, that one comes first. Then next thing is special characters. Next thing is, if there is numbers, then it will come first. And uppercase letters, and last is lowercase letters. So as we have uppercase letters, it gave uppercase on the first, and then the lowercase letters, and it is in the which order? Descending order or
Ascending
ascending
order.
order? Which order it is?
Somewhere it is.
Ascending order, right?
It is in ascending order.
Yeah, by default,
It is
SAS
in
gives
ascending
it
order.
in ascending order. If you
Ascending
want
order.
that to be in descending order, you have to assign it. Okay, let me show you. Close. Okay, see, now I want this to be in the descending order. So, see, for years, how I got years. See, first for Aethna, I have 2 years, right? So, which I got first? The lower one on the first, because it's in ascending order, and I got the higher one is on the down. 1999 is on the down, and See, have you noticed it? Edna got in the years also ascending order. Okay. Now let me try different example. See, now I want insurance to be in descending order. Okay, I have given descending for insurance here. Now I will run the program, but I want that to be in the different data set. I will give it in the patient data 1 so that it is easier to compare. Okay, now run the program. Okay, now I got patient data 1. Okay, now see it. Now what happened? Now I got insurance in the descending order. Now the capital
Descending
letter
order.
gone down. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
here we have it in ascending order. Now we have it in, we got Medicare first
Descending
here.
order.
UHG, Medicare, KP, Aetna and UHG. And the upper letter gone down. Okay, is it clear, Soham?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how we assign ascending and descending by statement and out statement. Do you have any questions on out and by statement?
No question.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, now there is another one called no dope key. Okay, we have another option, that is no dupe key. What this no dupe key basically do? Can I run the program with this no dupe key? Let's see what is going to happen. Okay, I don't want, I want this to be in the data 2. Okay, now run the program. Now see in the data 2 how many I got. I got 6. In the patient data how many I have? 6 only, right? But
Yes.
what this no dupe key did to our function? Nothing basically. Why?
Yes.
Close this. Close this. Let's go into our presentation. See, by statement is used to define by which variable the sorting will be done. And the out option, we can create a new data set using out option in procedural block, and the sorted data is stored in the new data set. Okay, and the other one is no dupe key. The no dupe key option checks for and eliminates observations with duplicate bivariable values. Okay, see, for example, I have given here no dupe key, but I didn't assign it properly. Okay, so now I am giving insurance here. I want the data to be sorted by insurance. If there is any dupe key, I want that to be removed. Okay, now I have 6 observations, right? Now see what's happened. Okay, now I got only 5. Why? I have 2 Aetna, right? See, in the original one
There are 6
I have
companies.
Two Aetna values, 101 and 106,
Yeah.
Aetna. If there is any duplicate or any, if it is return coming again, it reads first the Aetna 101 and it is called coming again Aetna 106, so it thinks it as the duplicate key, so it completely removed the complete observation. See, in this I got only 5 observations. It removed the Aetna, but it took UHG because it's in a capital letters. So it didn't apply for the different caps letters, but it applied for the same caps letters, so it removed 8 now as the duplicate key. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me try assigning this dupe key for year also. Do I have anything common in year? Okay, I will change it maybe. Now I will change it. Now here I have changed UHD also to 1990. Now I want this to be year. Now I want to sort it by year. No dupe key. Now run the program. See what happened now. Now I didn't get capital UHG because it took only the first 1990. The first 1990 where we got it for 8 now. Again we got 1990 at UHG, but it removed it because it's a no, because we have applied no dupe key, so it thought it is duplicate key, so it is removed all the observation. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, the next one we have is, see, so the next one is no dupe record. The no dupe record option checks for and eliminates duplicate observation. What it basically do, it completely removes duplicate observations. For example, I want any duplicate observations to be removed from the data set. What I will do, here I am giving some duplicate observations. Okay, now I want this to be no dupe record. Sometimes we get same patient's details by mistake 2 times, right? If we want to remove those information, we have to assign no dupe record. Okay, now I want this to be by PID or anything is fine because both are same. So run the program. See what happened, I got only 5 because there is duplicate records. How many I have basically? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? But how many I got?
5.
Only 5. Why? There is duplicate records, so I asked SAS to remove duplicate observations. Okay, if it is present 2 times. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, now let me try to explain you with a different example. For example, data test 7 input, I will take x dollar codes, I will take a. I want this to be sorted by x. Okay, that is the only variable we have. Okay, I have given this now. Now I am giving, I want this to be sorted by x. What happens now? How it will sort in ascending order, right? So if this is in ascending order, how it comes? I have told you, right? ASCII format. Can you
Yes.
guess how it will come? I told you what? ASCII format, how it applies. First missing values. So we will get the first value as this dot
Dot.
because it's a missing value. Okay. And then
Yes.
special character. Special character is what? Next dollar.
Dollar.
Okay. In which format we will get? First we will get missing value and then
Dollar.
we will get dollar. That
Dollar.
is the special character, right?
Yes.
And then we will get if there is any numbers. What are the numbers we have? 99, 98 and minus
99,
11, right? And then we will get uppercase and then lowercase letters.
lowercase.
Okay, can I try it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Test 7. See what I got first: missing letters, special
Dollar.
characters, and then numbers. In numbers also, which one got first? Minus
Minus.
and 99, and the numbers and capital letters
Uppercase.
and the lowercase letters. Okay,
Yes.
is it clear? This is how
Yes.
ascending order takes place, and also in what? In ASCII format. Okay, this is
Yes,
how
ma'am.
the sorting process will takes place. Basically the sorting process takes place in ASCII format, which is missing values, special characters, numbers, uppercase and lowercase. Okay, this is about proc sorting. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, next. Now the next thing is, I have told you earlier, right? I will explain you later. After proc sort, I will explain you later about by page by and sum by, right? Yeah, now we will discuss about that. So now the next thing is sorting and grouping. Okay, so far we have seen proc print options, sorting, and now we will see both sorting and grouping. Okay, so normally we have done sorting by giving like this. This is the normal sorting procedure. See, let me take this example again and explain you. I'm taking the same example. um, what's wrong? Something is wrong. Okay, this thing. Okay, so now I will take off this. See, this is normal sorting procedure we usually do, right? But if I want to group this, how I will do? See, I want this. Let me run this program. Proc print data, patient data. Maybe I will give 8 here. I want this results in the output as well. So I will give proc print data equal to this one I want, right? So patient underscore data 8 and run. Okay, now I will run this program. See, now I got this printed, right? So I have done sorting by what? PID, right? Sorting has been done by PID. PID So I got one after the other, 101, 101, 102, 103 in the ascending order. So I have given 101 on the first here and here 101, but it took the ascending order by default because of the sorting procedure I have given with the PID. This is the normal procedure we do, right, for sorting. See, I will give now, instead of PID, I will give insurance. Okay, now I will sort this. Now run the program. See, now it is got, now I got it as based on insurance, right? Insurance is in the ascending order. Now this PID got changed to 102, 101 because I have given sort by insurance. Okay, this is how normal sorting is will be done. But now I want to do grouping. How I will do grouping? I will give here group by. I will give it as insurance, and I will give, I want the first one is ID as insurance, and I want that to be grouped by insurance itself. Sorry, not here. So the grouping has to be given in the proc print data. Okay, I want this to be grouped by ID equal to ID. The first one is INS I want, and I want that to be grouped by, if I give it in the proc print data, that is grouping by bank. Okay, what happened? So now I want that by grouping by bank. Sorry, grouping by INS. Now see what happens. Now run the program. See, now I got grouping based on the insurance. I got insurance grouping. Okay. Also, I can do sum by. The another option is sum by. I want that to be sum by insurance. Okay, give sum by option. Now let's see what's going to happen. See, now I got sum for each insurance. For each insurance, I got the sum. For Aetna, I got this sum, and for different insurances, I got the sum by. This is how we use sum by statement. What if I want this data into the different pages? I want UHG in one page and Aetna in one page, and Aetna, KP, Medicare are all are on different pages. How I will do that? I will use page by option for that. Okay. Okay, now I will use page by insurance. Okay, now run this. See, now I got each insurance on different pages. In one page, see, first I got UHG, and another page Aetna, and on another page Medicare, like that. Okay, each page got different insurances. So this is all about proc sort and proc print options. Okay, and grouping as well. Okay, thank you. We will see you in the next class.